Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make a highlight video on Hudl. First of all, log into Hudl and go to your library. Browse through your recorded games or practices to find the footage you want to highlight. Select the clips by clicking the star icon next to the place you want to feature. These clips will be added to your highlights collection. Now head over to the Highlights tab in the top menu and choose Create Highlight. From here, you can arrange your selected clips in the order you want them to appear. Drag and drop them into the timeline to tell your story. Add a title or music for personal touch. Um, Many Hodl users like to add their name, team, and position at the start of the video. Finally, preview your highlight reel to make sure it's perfect. Once you are happy with it, save and share it directly with your coaches or friends right from Hudl.